Their team will set up your core website in a proven profitable niche. They pick the niche. Includes the domain name, design, and layout. You own the domain name and site. 10 professionally written articles with images to get you started. SEO AdSense compliant ready. 5 new professionally written articles each month. Access to monthly new social media posts to promote your site. Training on creating and outsourcing your own content. Guaranteed traffic to your site to help get it started right. Guaranteed monthly traffic to your site. Targeted traffic to your niche that converts to clicks and profits. In 12 plus years, they have a 100% AdSense and Media.net acceptance rate in their mastermind. They guarantee you will get an AdSense and or Media.net account no matter where you live, even if you have been turned down before or have been banned in the past. Not everyone has been accepted the very first time, but they will work with you until you are. In addition to your core site, you will get one done-for-you mini site for the quick method. You select the topic from our recommended niches. Over-the-shoulder training sessions that will walk you through each step in the system so you can profit as fast as possible. They will share the red-hot niches you should be targeting. This niche demographic loves to engage, click and buy. Learn how to drive laser-focused traffic to your site for fractions of a cent, plus other free traffic strategies. You'll also learn where to place your ads and affiliate offers for maximum profits. They will take care of the techie stuff for you. Their team will manage your site for you, keep it secure, troubleshoot, and keep it backed up. They will also help you place your ads and offers in the right positions for maximum profits. You also get thousands of dollars worth of plugins that they have already bought for you. Trending content tools so you can always find the most profitable content to share on your ClickMoney site. Red light, green light tracker. The silver bullet that tells them if a potential profit stream is going to be a winner and if they should scale it or not. Ready for you social media posts as well as ready for you videos to help build your audience. Online live mastermind sessions where we focus on current traffic and site strategies. 2 to 3 times a month, sometimes more. All sessions are recorded in case you can't attend. All questions are answered and you can also share and learn from other mastermind members. They set up your sites, they jumpstart your traffic, they help you get an AdSense account, they teach you how to drive more traffic. After you have earned your first $20,000 in profits, they start to take 5% of the net monthly. They have a 90-day cashback performance guarantee. They also have a sell your site 5x guarantee. Partner with them today. Space is limited. This is a $23,000 value of $1,997 and then $197 a month after that. Here are a couple success stories where Brent made $1,000 a day and Linda was so happy about her results. How big is your vision? Let me know in the comments section below. Please like and subscribe.